May say the Saturday demo flopped because the system managed to neutralize the leaders, and at the end on Friday there was a lot of police presence in the central business. What's your view on that? Is it a failure? Did you succeed because you managed to shake the system, or you guys you were shaken?
Yeah, it depends on how you look at it. But the fact that they responded the way they responded to us, it registers. It registered a major victory. It showed that they were shaken by the prospect of what we intended to do. Overall, it also reviews the panic mode they are in. They are afraid of us. They know what we can do. They know that Zimbabweans are sick and tired of their misrule. They know that Zimbabweans are sick and tired of their failure. And so for them to react in such a morbid manner, in such an austere manner, just reviews how they have now gotten to know our frustration, how they've now gotten to understand our displeasure over the manner in which they are running the affairs of this nation. And so in as much as the demonstration did not take place the way we anticipated, the fact that they nipped it in the bud in such a morbid way shows you how they have now gotten the message that the people are sick and tired, that the people are not happy, that the people of the citizens of Zimbabwe are no longer going to take it lightly whilst they urinate on their foreheads. That's essentially how I take it. And so going forward, we are still going to push, we're still going to agitate for reforms and making sure that our voices are heard.
Thank you very much, Patson, for your time, and ZimDI TV News wishes you well.
Thank you so much.